Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you a platform called Flourish. It's called flourish.studio, using which you can create very dynamic visualizations. You might have seen in some YouTube videos where you have animations running on datasets. So those things you can create here. There are paid accounts and free accounts available, but to try out, free account is good enough. So let me try to create a visualization here. So there are many visualizations that is available here. So let me start with something like uh, a race chart. So let me type in race and see. So this is a bar chart race. So I will tell you what this is. If you have a dataset containing years and a number, you might have seen something of this sort. Over the year, how does something vary? I think this looks more like population data. So if I just go back and see the data, I can see the data set. So I have the data available here. Now, if I want to change the data, I can just come here and clear the sheet and upload the new data sets. See, you see the upload button here. Now, from here I can make all the customizations that I need. If I want change the color, if I want to change the label of x-axis and y-axis, if I want to put in images, this is flags as of now. So all these things I can do, and I can create a story and I can publish it. So similarly, there are hundreds of different visualizations that is available in this platform. I think you can see some of these things in the examples that is there. If I click on it, I'll show you some of these examples. So you have bar chase, you have survey data, story maps, you have magic charts, you have zoomable hierarchy, you have chord diagrams. So all these dynamic visualizations are available. This is plotting the competitor data. You have network charts. So this one is again called cool. So if I just show it to you how it is, see, this is a network chart. So if I click on it, it will filter it based on the year and all. And it also shows you how to make those charts or visualizations. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.